Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have unboxing today. This was just left on the porch without a signature, so that's a little scary. Have you guys had that before from Louis or Chanel or Fashionphile or any of those? Because normally they require a signature. So let me know in the comments below if you're experiencing the same situation. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Got my blade. And let's go ahead and unbox here. And make sure you hit the bell. So I normally upload videos at least once a week, sometimes twice. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, we got extra stuff on here. Yeah, now they're doing the import tax, so if you live in Canada, you have to pay a separate tax, so just be aware of that. If you're ordering anything from the States, then there may be some extra charges applied. And that's kind of up to the seller, so sometimes you get hit with the tax, sometimes you don't, so it's kind of a gambit. Alright, let's see here. And in Canada, everything is taxed, so it's a lot for tax and it's a lot for shipping. Alright. Okay, it's from Fashionphile. So, potty in a box. Alright, let's take a look here. This is my receipt. Used is the new. Comes in that. Oh, I got some pink, got some gray, yeah, so they're, oh, got my file, so that's always appreciated, but they're like some other people were saying, they've cut down on their stuff in the box. There's not very many little circles anymore. Okay, so that's the Fashionphile file, basically. I don't think there's anything else in there. And they give you a Fashionphile dust cover, so that's pretty cool. Alright, that's what that looks like. Any guesses what I might have got? Leave it in the comments below. Okay, we're in. Okay. Okay, this is nicer than I thought. Alright. So if you remove the tag, then you own the bag. Alright, and this is my Fendi Peekaboo Mini. It's in satin with snake. So let's see what they gave me here. looks good. All right, it's stuffed. Okay. All right. Oh, and it comes with the Fendi dust bag. All right. It's pretty heavy actually for a little bag. All right. All right, so we got the snake here. And then there's one spot there. And then it came with, and that's pretty good size actually. Okay, I thought this was lighter, but this is actually, this is like a champagne color. So that's good. I thought it was like a beige, but this is actually prettier. All right, that's cool. And I'll be doing a what fits in my bag. I had a large one and I sold it to Fashionphile because it was way too big. It was like luggage. So I think this is going to work out a lot better actually. Yeah, this is like in really good condition for being satin. This is all satin. Can you believe that? Mm. And this is all snake. Oh, yeah. Snake with black. Okay. That's an adjustable strap too. So, and you get the dust bag with it. So normally you don't get the dust bag. So look at that. That's pretty cool. It says Fendi down there. So yeah, so I'm going to really be loving that. Alright, so that was a good one. Alright, I'm still waiting for my Elma to go down, and when that goes down, I'm grabbing that one. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Stuff from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.